Hitting a sink, understanding English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a unique phrase in the English language, hitting a sink. This might sound a bit strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in conversation. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of this idiom. First things first, hitting a sink is not a common or standard phrase in English. It seems to be a mix of idioms or a misheard version of a more familiar expression. This highlights an important aspect of language learning. Sometimes, phrases might not make sense because they are either regional, outdated, or simply incorrect. Since hitting a sink is not a recognized idiom, let's focus on understanding some real and commonly used English idioms. These are phrases that have a meaning not deducible from the individual words. For example, 1. Hitting the nail on the head. This means to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. 2. Everything but the kitchen sink. This means almost everything and anything has been included. 3. Sink or swim. This phrase is used to describe a situation where someone must either be successful right away or fail. There is no middle ground. Understanding these idioms can greatly enhance your conversational skills in English. Idioms can be tricky, but they are also fun to learn. Here are some tips to master them. 1. Context is key. Always look at the context in which an idiom is used. This can help you understand its meaning. 2. Practice with examples. Try to use idioms in sentences or find examples in movies or books. 3. Learn regularly. Try to learn a new idiom regularly and use it in your daily conversations. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of English idioms. Remember, phrases like hitting a sink might not be correct, but understanding the actual idioms can significantly improve your English skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.